Nobody drives a car successfully focusing only on the rear mirror. You can glance back, you should glance back. But if you stare too long at what is behind you, you will crash into what is ahead. That is what most people call moving on, and they are doing it wrong. I know, because I did it wrong too. Here is what nobody tells you about truly moving on. This is Thornless Life, a channel built on one belief that most of life's sharpest pain comes not from what happens to us, but from how long we carry it. Today we talk about one of the heaviest things people carry and how to finally put it down. After my breakup, I did everything I thought moving on looked like. I deleted her pictures, I cleared the call logs, I told myself and everyone around me that I was fine, strong, healed, over it. Maybe you have done something similar. Maybe right now you are carrying something you have told yourself you are over, but it still shows up uninvited in the way you shut down when someone gets too close, in the quiet voice that tells you that you were not good enough. That is not moving on, that is pain wearing a mask. And I want to show you the difference, because on the other side of this conversation is something lighter. A few months after my breakup, my social life fell apart. I could not open up. I could not trust. I carried a quiet resentment I did not even recognize. My self-esteem had taken a hit I was not willing to admit. But here is what I want you to hear right now. That belief that I was not good enough was a lie. One ending does not define your worth. One person walking away does not make you less. The moment I saw that clearly, the real healing could begin. Here is the lie we tell ourselves. Moving on means never thinking about it again. It means feeling nothing when a memory surfaces. It means being completely unaffected, as if it never happened. That is not moving on, that is suppression. And suppression is just pain with a lid on it. Real moving on means the memory no longer controls you, even when it visits. I still think about my past relationships sometimes, but now when those memories come, there is no hurt, no regret, and no resentment. Just a quiet recognition that it was part of my journey and that nobody who truly loved ever really lost anything. 3 things worked for me. First, forgive yourself before anyone else. You were doing your best with what you knew at the time. Second, accept reality as it is. People break up, marriages end, friendships fade. Your circumstances were never peculiar to you. In the moment you truly believe that, something shifts. Third, redirect your gaze. Reflect on the past when it is useful. Learn from it, honor it, thank it. Then bring your eyes back to the road ahead. The memories will come back sometimes. That is not a sign you have not moved on. That is just being human. The measure of moving on is not whether the past visits you. It is whether it still has the power to stop you from living. Whatever chapter ended in a way you did not choose, you are allowed to look back. Just do not live there. You drive. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you are ready to put down. I read every single one. Links to episodes 1 and 2 are right here. This story makes more sense from the beginning. I will see you in the next one.